Hey,
Yeah.
let's
Yeah.
see what else Santa brought you.
Yeah, I'm the cute.
Okay.
Let's see.
Morning.
Good morning, Brody.
Look at, I got a present.
Present.
Santa snuck in while we were all sleeping.
Yeah.
Really?
Let's see what else you got, Beber.
Yeah.
Look at all his presents.
Whoa, what's that?
Star Wars.
What?
Star Wars.
Yeah.
Let's see.
That was scary, like scary Star Wars.
Oh,
Star Wars.
What?
cool.
Oh.
Look at this Star Wars guy.
Yeah. When Santa gets trained, I will say game to Santa.
Okay. Well, maybe you'll phone him again.
Yeah.
Or we'll write him a letter.
I'll write him a letter.
Okay.
On his door outside. And he will say, I will go to Jacob's house and bring another present.
Whoa.
Lots of presents?
Till next year.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what else you got. What else did he bring you?
Let's open this present.
Okay.
What is it?
Yeah.
Rocky! He got me a Rocky guy now! I wanted two Rocky guys now.
Well, let's see what else. Maybe he got you two guys. You told him when you called him. Remember, you talked to him on the TV? Cool.
Look at he got the Rocky stick.
Cool.
There's a Rocky puck. Look at his skate shoes.
Oh, his skate.
Yes, he was in this one.
Isn't that when he's got so much presents? Look, he can open those presents. He can open his, what is it? Oh man. Oh man.
Another Rocky guy.
No.
There
way.
you go. So did you get two?
Yes,
One,
two Rocky guys.
two. Woohoo! Oh, that's Santa. He's the best.
Santa's the best maker.
Yes,
Santa got the best workshopper.
he does.
Oh. Oh.
None, I didn't know there's two hockey guys.
Cool.
There's the puck.
He's got the puck. Awesome.
None, I didn't know there
Okay.
were two hockey guys.
Awesome. Look, there's still really big ones left. I wonder what he brought you in those big ones.
Yeah. I got a big giant one.
Oh, heaven.
Holy.
Holy.
Let's put it on the ground.
Okay.
What is it? How are you going to open that one, grandson?
Oh, I can do it. I still do it.
Okay, he can. Look at, here he goes. What is that?
Fighter, I don't know.
What is it?
A Coughlin.
What?
A Coughlin. Coughlin.
Oh, cop what?
Cough from jail.
In jail.
These guys from jail.
Oh.
That's those cops.
Oh, Pop went to jail.
No, not the cops. They take those little boys to jail when they're running away from their mommy.
Oh.
Oh, yes.
See?
Yes.
Yes, they're looking for those bad kids.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Is that a Lego?
Yep.
Oh, right on.
Watch What else? Let's see
There's
what's in.
still more.
Let's see what's in this one.
What is that one?
Gosh, another one.
Oh,
It's Christmas.
oh.
What the heck?
Wait, Santa got lots of Lego for me.
He must have known that's what you said you wanted, right? Star Wars and Legos and hockey, guys. He told you he was watching you. Cool. Okay. And this one.
Oh, it's so big to care.
Oh, I like John Russell.
Oh no!
Let's see, what is it? I think we gotta just do this little. Oh, I got it!
What is that?
It's
A castle?
Yeah, the castle.
Cool.
Big castle. You wanna play with me with this castle?
For sure, my boy.
And this is the bad guy.
Whoa.
He
Cool.
looks really
Thank you, Santa, wherever you are.
Thank you, Santa, everyone.
What is it?
At the castle.